Okay, everybody, we are at Carlisle. It is Thursday. It is day one. We're just going to do a walkthrough and let you see everything that they have. And there's our green machine right there. Again, we're just going to walk through and let you check out all the cars and the different displays, vendors. This is the car corral we're coming up to now. If you've never been to Carlisle, you got to come before it's too late for you. This is the first time we've ever been. I like it. And this is only Thursday. We're going to live stream this tomorrow, Friday. Now, I don't know when I'm actually going to drop this video, so I said tomorrow. This video will be available very soon. Maybe we'll drop it tonight. That car is for sale. It's a 69. We know the difference between a 68 and a 69. 69 is a Stingray. It does not have the push button. And then this is the only way to open the door. This is an automatic. This is 3 deuces, 427, for sale, 59,000. 717-856-1439 if you are interested. I will give it a quick look for you. That paint looks outstanding. It's green over a green interior automatic. It looks like it's in really nice shape. You got the phone number, you got the price. I think the price is reasonable. I'm not seeing any major cosmetic flaws. I don't see the rivets popping through, so it's probably a respray. It's probably the correct color, I bet. I think this was called Donnybrook Green. Correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, let's move on. More cars for sale. Ooh, this is an interesting car. This would be good for a short. Look at that. It's a Fuley car. Excuse me. 56 SR2. Incredible Tribune. I've never seen another one. I have never seen one myself. So we'll get a look at the front end of this for you. Incredible. That's really neat. If you know anything about it, you can inquire 917-656-2260. Lawrence, selling up his collection. Best offer. 327, 66, 917-656-2260, same owner. So when I do see interesting things, we're going to say so. Here's a Z6 convertible, 7th gen, for sale. Eight-speed, auto, 89, 845. 480, 4697 if you're interested. Again, this will be busier tomorrow. We will be live streaming. If you see something in here you want me to inquire about or look at in great detail, perusal if you will, let me know. Drop a comment. That's a split window, 63. Let's get a look at this. Let's get a look at this, folks. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Very correct, but as a 64 327, 139, rod 443-744-2411. Okay, let's move on. Oh, here's the LT1 convertible. I like LT1s. 917-656-2260, same gentleman, selling it off his collection. Let's look at the 7th gen. I have a friend, hey Noonie, she just said she's going to buy a Corvette. I'm guessing she's not going to spend $90,000 for a new one. I'd probably recommend something like this for her. $49,500. It's a 7-speed manual. I don't know if she wants one. Phone number 717-329-1084 or 443-735-5700. Okay. From there, let's see. Here's another split window. Let's see what this split window is going for. Fuel injection. Beautiful. Beautiful. $138,500 is what the window says. 814-285-1779. 63. Here's a mid-engine convertible. 73.7. Whoa. 2021. 10,900. 1LT. And I'm not seeing a phone number. Hold on. Fairway, Hazleton, Pennsylvania. 570-455-7701. There it is. It's a 1LT. It's still a beautiful looking car, folks. Alright, let's move on. It's enough for the cars for sale. If you see something in there you want me to get a look at it, say so. Vet van? Can you say vet van? I think I just did. Crazy. Crazy. Looks like another dealership selling cars. There's a lot of vendors here. This is just a small sampling. I'm not going to walk through the parts entirely, but there's aisles of them, rows of them. And you just walk down there and there's the parts. I've already looked at some parts. There's some vintage stuff here for sale. If you're looking for hard parts. There's a Corvette dragster. There's food vendors scattered throughout. There's also a food court. And they have a lot of different things to eat here. There's a ZR1. Again, there may not be as many cars here today as tomorrow, but we'll be live streaming this tomorrow. But this is a sneak peek of some of the things you're going to see. So you can see up the hill. There'll be cars here everywhere. I will tell you, there's a lot of food here. A great value coverage and more for your collector vehicles, classic cars, and classic motorcycles. More parts vendors through there. Lifts. Those are some big ones. That's a ZR1, folks, for sale. Check out this ZR1. I don't know what year, 94, I think. Look at this ZR1, I love it. 7,000 miles, 703-785-5117. If you are interested. No price on it. I'm sure it's in the ballpark of what they're going for. So it's from Virginia. I swear there's got to be 30 different food choices here. If you've never been here, this will be a good sneak peek of some of the things you're going to find. Chevy Performance is here. Expel is here.
For all of your tire and grooming needs, stop by the Cover Tire booth and check out the all-new Cover Classic Star Series white wall radial this weekend and take
Ciocca Corvette is here.
Corvette.
Let's see what they have for you.
Ronald McDonald House is giving you a chance to win some incredible prizes. Win a special edition 2023 Corvette.
Let's walk through here just so you get a quick glance. Ciocca Corvette. So if you want one of these cars, inquire directly to them.
You win, you get an E-Ray, you have I probably would take it. He would have given me those
CioccaCorvette.com, Atlantic City, New Jersey. Adams Detail Spray is here. Here's the stage. There's some more cars here. And more vendors. It's just everywhere, folks. Love the jersey, man. Love the jersey. Thanks. Go Steelers. I think my jersey's gotten more compliments than my car. Win this car. Win this car. Register to win. Beautiful. Kaufman Corvette. Glassworks.
Lambert in the house.
Yep, you got it. For those that don't know, I'm wearing a jersey from legendary Pittsburgh Steeler Jack Lambert. I mean, that's old school big time, but you can see videos of how he played. Basically, he played defense. He was a linebacker. He was everywhere. Every play, he was somewhere around. He was always in the picture. He was all over the place. Ferocious tackler. Very good player. Very good team player, too. Played his whole life for one team. They don't do that anymore. They go where the money goes. I digress. The Corvette Challenge Series reunion is here. You remember why the Corvette Challenge was created? And if not, I'll tell you. They got kicked out of the sports club, SCCA, I believe it was at the time, because they were dominating. So they developed their own series. Ran for 2 years, but GM said, hey, competing against ourselves doesn't do us any good. So they stopped, re-entered with the C5, and there's a lime rock green coupe. Hope you can see it. Beautiful C7. Anyway.
Also coming up in the next 1 day, it's 1:30. Rose Detailing is unveiling a new windshield product. Check that out at 1:30.
74 feature. Apparently that's what this is.
Our friends from Lancaster County Corvette are selling tickets for a
1974. 74. Yep, this is a 74, 50th anniversary of the 1974. And you're seeing it right here. We'll be live streaming tomorrow. Stay tuned. I'll drop a notification later letting you know what time. Preview Corvettes at Carlisle. They're everywhere, folks. Absolutely everywhere. Beautiful top on that car. Looks nice with the Kalahari interior, Kalahari top, black exterior. Gotta love it. As far as the eye can see. Well, you have your preview, folks. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll be live streaming the event. It's gonna be crazy tomorrow. Hope to see you then.